Alright guys, today we're going to be doing some trail riding. As you might have seen, I got my brake adjusted so it works now. Everything works great, so let's go for a bit of trail riding in here. And I've already mapped out where I'm going, I've already walked it, so let's get this bad boy started. Icy out today, guys. Look at this underneath the snow. It's just all ice here. Alright guys, the reason I stopped early was it was so loud that I didn't want to make my neighbors angry, but I think they'll manage with the loud noises. Hopefully I won't get too many complaints in the mail. So let's go do a little more. Alright. What the hell? There we go. Hopefully I didn't disturb my neighbors too much. But it's a really fast sled, 530cc engine. Doesn't have a back flap, so you can see it's got a little bit of snow up here. Smoking a bit because the fuel ratio, I did 40-to-1, which is obviously too much oil. But yeah, she rips. Look at that. She hasn't been running a long time if you see my repair videos. So there it is. You may have seen the video where I rode without brakes. Actually, you probably didn't. But there was one that I rode without brakes. I didn't go nearly that fast because I didn't have brakes yet. But I adjusted the brakes. We rode. If you guys enjoy this type of video, thank you. Maybe I'll do some more riding. Oh, it's good to see that the fuel gauge or the temperature gauge worked. I was afraid that the temperature gauge didn't actually work, but you can see we're close to the high zone, so good. The speedometer and the odometer doesn't work, but the temperature gauge and the rev monitor works, or you could call it the tachometer if you'd like. But anyway, thanks for watching.